Hello, my name's Lad Luigi, the inventor of the Strongback Mobility Wheelchair. The reason our wheelchairs are the most comfortable and the most healthy off-the-shelf wheelchairs available anywhere is simple: posture support. Now let me show you how it works. You can see here our wheelchair has classic ergonomic shape. It starts high at the shoulders and supports the thoracic portion of the vertebrae and transitions smoothly and gently down to this critical lumbar curve here, which provides the support for the lumbar area of your back to keep you comfortable and upright. The seat is tilted back, so it holds you firmly and comfortably against this curved back support so you don't slip away out of the chair and slouch like other chairs. Now for most of you, right off the shelf and out of the box, this chair is going to be great, get in and go, no adjustments necessary. However, for some of you, you might want to adjust the back support a little bit, in which case we make it very easy for you. You can see here, these are just simple Velcro straps here. You can make it tighter, you can make it looser, you can raise it higher, you can move it lower. You don't need to go to the store to see an expert. You don't need to buy any clumsy, bulky cushions. This chair is ready to go, self-adjusting as you want, how you want, for the maximum comfort for you. Now let's look at a Strongback mobility chair in use versus a normal chair. The chair on the left is the normal chair. The chair on the right is a wheelchair by Strongback Mobility. Now, watch her posture as she sits. You can see right away in the Strongback mobility chair on the right, her whole spine is aligned better. Her shoulders are back, and her chest is out. Her head is comfortably supported by her neck. Her lumbar area is completely supported. Her hips and lower back are held snugly and comfortably against the back support, and the seat pressure is evenly distributed on the buttocks and thighs. She is in a relaxed, comfortable position with great seated posture with no effort. Now on the other chair on the left, however, look what has happened. She slipped forward in the seat, putting all the seat pressure on her coccyx. She's sunk down into the chair, her shoulders have been thrown forward and rounded, her chest is sunken in, which makes it harder to breathe, her head has been forced forward, causing more strain on her neck to keep her head upright, and her lower back and lumbar region are completely unsupported and rounded. She is not comfortable on the left, she's not relaxed, she's wondering when she can get out of this painful chair to see your back doctor. Convenience, easy to fold, stylish, ergonomic, lightweight at under 10 kilos, and very comfortable. The choice is simple, the value is clear. Buy a Strongback mobility wheelchair. Be comfortable immediately anywhere. Invest in your back for the long term. Strongback Mobility, the new standard of comfort.